Hello, my people, and welcome back to Football Mede podcast with the Republikans. And of course, as far as today concerned, we don't to make sure say the enjoyment continues. My name is Jovita, and of course, as usual, I come here with the usual suspect talking about Buchi, talking about the Laba Master. Do you ever be licensed coach?
Big
the big
Laba,
fish. And of course,
respect me. I'm not
Emmanuel Attah Abua, aka the most expensive.
No, Emmanuel Jackson, please.
Oh, Emmanuel Jackson.
Thank you.
Please.
Okay. All right.
Debunk. My name is Emmanuel Attah. Nigerian most
It's the
expensive.
footballer version of Jackson.
But Attah did here now.
It's the journalistic version of Jackson.
Oh, wow. Jackson
In the
5.
midst of it.
No be small thing. All right, my people. As it is, so even though say the English Premier League and of course other major leagues for world don't already start, the fact remains say the international break don't come and of course we'll focus on the national team this lovely, wonderful afternoon. Yes, so don't be small thing. Mark, we talk about our national team. A lot of gist we don't come out concerning the announcement of one particular man as coach, and all of a sudden they come back say no, the contract no stand the way we say they expect, and because of tax issues and some other issues. But then this coaching palaver for Nigeria, shey say Nigeria no fit get coach, or we no just know the right thing to do over the years. The same issue, coach problem every time. Emmanuel.
Well, I feel so, Nigerian Football Federation, well, this particular regime in the area of Super Eagles coach, they need to try. And most of the coaches what they look for all over the world, now coaches have say they don't get to the call pedigree. They're not going to come Nigerian Football Federation, whatever, can they stay in their CV. Nigeria is a great country. We get amazing talent. We get the nicest national team. You understand? But if you employ any coach, you go give them free hand to work. You go pay them waiting in deserve. These are many questions where a lot of coaches go consider before they go accept Nigerian national team job. Not be say because they be good coach, you just come Nigeria. As it stand now, they're very sorry to say this. Nigerian football be like sinking ship. So they just look for person where they like will put. They just look for person where they will just put everything. You understand? So you don't put everything for your hand. The ship can't sink for your hand. They go say, "Hey, we tell you." So they said charity begins at home. May they start the repairs now. And how you go start the repair? You start from the local grassroots, from the level. We get talented coaches for Nigeria where you can, if you actually encourage them. Say them go refresher courses, develop them. They go money. They say if you shook your 5 fingers inside oil, red oil, now only you go lick them.
Mark, look at the. You talk about pedigree. The big fish. Mark, look at the man where we say them
fish.
Mark, look at the man where we say them be even bring before they so Casalacon boss. We say no, they come because of tax issues with the German authority. Bruno Labbadia. Now this man never coached national team before. He never even coached for Africa before. The first team where be say it be like a one coach in Nigeria. Why it be say NFF initially this man not there in the running to even be coach, and all of a sudden we see. I mean, the way we they even if we won't go for foreign coach, make we look at the way we say we they even go for foreign coach. People will not get pedigree. People will be say never even do the job before.
Jovita, they talk say if you no plan to make them, you go plan to fail. Like so, can't they be like say our NFF they do the plan. Like, you don't no structure day for anything. Like you talk, whether we like them or not, the Super Eagles of Nigeria, na big shoe.
True.
Most coaches go one coach Nigeria ahead of any African team. That is fact. But what they make and they look like, say, they kill or something like that, like say, will be potato or granite and kukuru.
Crayfish.
Like, if you don't respect yourself, they go disrespect you. So the Bruno Lagadia guy or Nabania guy,
Bruno Labadia, like your name now, Labadia.
When I hear the guy name, I'm like, who the hell is this? From nowhere, all these it can't be like saying na runs. I can work when you work with it 1 year after I go. It can't be like it was just a joke. I see now the day when they go announce players for the Super Eagles, they announce coach because they know say no go fit announce coach, they don't go fit announce players without coach.
True.
How you go announce coach? Sorry. How you go announce coach? You never dey 100% sure say the deal go happen. That means say you don't have to negotiate. Because on a good day, now you have to fix your house. If you negotiate with this coach, it's not about the German tax. They don't know about the German tax when they announce the coach.
That's still, still they shock everybody.
It's a joke. You know say if they negotiate, there's some negotiation when
and not be the first time they negotiate any coach foreign coach contract with this.
There's some negotiation where they happen when they go happen because when they only that you can't say okay this clause they okay bye let's go to meet the next person. Not announce and see our football day in a state of glisma component.
Jovita
is in a state of charismatic explosion.
Jovita.
Let me ban you want talk nonsense.
See I feel say Nigerian Football Federation we could stop all this talk about coach. We don't really talk about this for over years. We talk this even before the last World Cup for Qatar. We don't still go to the World Cup. We don't really talk. Make NFF draft 10-15 years program. Look like 2-3 coaches. Invest in those coaches. Send them abroad for refresher courses.
They talk about the local coaches.
Yes, the local coaches. Give them national team assignments.
Why will NFF tell local coach?
Listen. Every country. Let me wait. I will give you. Wait. Every countries in the world, they do am. Before Germany win World Cup for South America, Brazil 2014, they get 15 years plan, and they bring in a local coach. Joachim Low.
This guy is a liar.
You understand?
Your father is a liar. Your family is a liar.
You understand? And they give him. You know what?
Lying.
This is our project for the next 15 years. You understand? And before the 15 years expire, we see Germany was crowned champions of the world. This fire brigade approach, we will continue to talk about and it no go happen until we invest in ourselves. Now we go fix our home. They say if your roof they leak, no patch change the roof. Not when they go outside, they go look. We do too much to go they look for coaches where say they don't even recognize them for their country.
We move aside from that.
Why they move aside now?
And look at Austin Eguavoen.
You're biased.
I'm not biased.
I'm very biased.
We are moving
you
forward.
let this guy talk, don't let me talk.
Because you
talk
than him.
You talk nonsense now.
I'm more intelligent
we
than him.
are moving forward.
Can you compare my IQ to his?
No verse. All right, make we look at Austin Eguavoen. And of course, in third coming this time around. Now, this bros carry Nigeria go win. I think we be third for 2006 for the Nations Cup. Now it carry us for 2021 for inside Cameroon. We see how that one take pan out. Now they are bringing him back again. I want to ask, shey no other coach they available wey fit do this job? Because it practically reminds me of Shuaibu Ahmadu wey be say of blessed memory wey be say anytime we did this kind fix, now the guy they come bail us out. Now Austin Eguavoen, then they always bring this bros back. I'm not talking a bad coach, but then this now still the technical director for the NFF. I will not say anything technical about the team. Why do they keep bringing him back?
Because we don't get structure. Easy like ABC, there's no structure. And him 2 days there saying be technical supervisor, whatever he calls himself. They answer me talk say he can't say no. You cannot say no. The last time you said yes, we don't go World Cup. And I see carry yourself. I see for this life, if you don't get shame, borrow shame. I like us in Eguavoen. I think he has paid his dues. But like you talk, Baba, coaches day. Coaches day. If Nigeria want to get a coach, a Nigerian coach, Baba, coaches day. Then plenty. Now say we know the inside they see. Don't let your players today. Players day, coaches day. We just have to write the right people. We shall be find these coaches. The right people. We shall be build up these coaches. It's very, very important. And let's make this clear. NFF. Not be their business to train coach. They can set up a seminar or something and invite professionals on their own right. It's not NFF or no. But if you want to be a coach, you have to follow the UEFA FIFA way.
Just
you have
like
to be.
The judge
yes, you have to be. It is the process. Now, let's seminar NFF we do. Most of our Nigerian legends and get this problem, big problem. They want to be entitled to anything coaching. NFF go train us. This one go do. Why can't you go and improve yourself for once in your life? Like an average Nigerian, so entitled to the wrongest of things. Not entitled to what the politicians do, what you vote for.
Can Eguavoen qualify us, especially with this game against Rwanda when they come up, and of course against Benin Republic?
I'm telling you the simple truth. I'm not hyped. Jovita, if nobody say I be sports journalist, I don't go watch that match. If nobody say I'm my work, I'm done with Super Eagles of Nigeria. I'm not hyped. They don't give me hope. I don't get left. I don't get
front. Make we go to the inclusion of
if they like their
local coaches.
If they like they don't win, they are bad business, honestly.
Make we come to the inclusion of the 2 local coaches, talking about Fidelis Ilechukwu and of course Ogumodede. The inclusion of these guys, they call them up to come help Eguavoen. I mean, is this a way forward where we say go also help the local coaches? Because already they always invite the local coaches, but we don't still see changes. But maybe these guys, because whether we like them or not, that then be some of the best coaches we'll get for our local league. Yes. How you feel say then go impact upon local players' inclusion for the national team?
already we see their impact. We see the impact of these two coaches last season of Nigerian Premier Football League. We see Fidelis Ileshiku carry Enugu Rangers win the league for the very first time after 26 years. And then we also see Daniel Gumodidi, how Raymond Star take second position for the league table. So you could say their hard work don't speak for themselves. You know, for these two coaches, whether they pick their club pick a continental ticket for Champions League. So, and again, as far as me I'm concerned, you know, just as Laba talk, Austin Eguavoen don't pay in dues as a footballer. Fine, you understand? And then secondly, they're saying the head of technical waiting for Nigerian Football Federation. I never really see impact for there. I feel say the guy they accept the job based on say if you tell NFF say no worry, based on say they won't pay him XYZ amount every month. He say no worry, even if you don't get the money to pay me, you just call it, just no say they owe me. So with the assistant of these two people by inside, I feel saying an encouragement to local coaches and encouragement to our football development in Nigeria. Like I talked earlier on, if these coaches get belief, say NFF will give them work to do and will give them long-term projects, automatically they will improve themselves and they will work hard to be there.
All right, from that one, make we sharply take a look at the list of players waiting for inside the Super Eagles. We already learned for the game against Benin Republic. And remember, for inside the game between Nigeria and Benin the last time, Benin beat us 2-1. Now still our former coach, now be their present coach. We go look at William Trust Ekong, where they make a return back after a long while from that Wunjo way he get. All I know. Semi Ajayi, Ademola Lukman, Olisanda, Taiwo Awoniyi, Fisayo Dele Bashiru, Wilfred Ndidi, Amas Obasogie. We get Victor Boniface. We also don't enter inside camp. We also get Stanley Nwabali. Where they work out for night. Alex Iwobi, Frank Onyeka, Calvin Bassi. We still get the likes of Kelechi Iheanacho, Moses Simon, Alhassan Yusuf, Benjamin Tanimu, Samuel Chukwueze, and of course Bruno Onyemechi and Raphael Onyedika. And of course, as I take talk, I think Kelechi Iheanacho Joseph don't enter inside. So it be like now Victor Osimhen. Only remain 21 Eagles in camp, and you don't see the list of names. So we say we don't rule out any hope for Nigeria, any kind of redemption against Benin Republic.
Jovita, we are faithless. I want the positive, but what did I see? No, I go be very, very honest. No, we are faithless. See, like I talk, if the Super Eagles of Nigeria win, I go happy because I'm a Nigerian. Yeah. If they lose, my brother go still happy. Because they don't carry my expectation, come very, very down. So I don't see again, if not my work to talk sports, to give update on sports, I tell you truth, I go stop to the watch anything.
And of course, make a just quick update to now Maduko Koye, because
don't enter camp, yes. No,
yes. Just now.
No, officially go they camp tomorrow. No. It's traveling from Galatasaray right now. Flight is by 4:00 Nigerian time. Okay. So it's I don't tire for Nigeria. For especially the Super Eagles matter, I don't tire. Like, see,
you feel say they make mistake to allow Pesero go when they're not even ready to go hire person.
The good thing now, see, in this life, I think consistency is very, very important. You don't have to like someone to work with the people. It is very important. A good example, this guy here, I like nothing about him, but I work with him. We don't have to be compatible to work with. Pesero get issues with the NFF, obviously. But he took us to the finals of the Nations Cup. We say nobody expected to reach that finals.
True.
Nobody.
True.
Consistency. Like you do with the Super Falcons, where World Drum, carry us go better for the World Cup. They carry them go Olympics. Why not start with Pesero? And the annoying thing is they don't get money to pay. Like where the money they go?
With their so-called budget. I mean, with their so-called budget, which kind of coach you feel say Nigeria fit get, Emmanuel?
Why not? Why they ask this guy? They ask me.
I don't talk him before.
I mean, they ask me. They question. What's wrong with you?
I always root for the coach, the Nigerian coaches,
my worst
the local coaches. With the kind of money they get, empower the local coaches with that money. We get coaches where don't go through the normal process of training. The likes of Sundulise, the likes of
no verse, make a cut you short. They say empower the local coaches. Remember, say Austin Eguavoen carry us go Cameroon, where Tunisia knock us out for the round of 16.
No,
wait now, won't see be Eguavoen. I dey give names
Okay, make
now.
I still name more coaches.
I could give you names.
Because-
we get
because-
coach. We get coach for this country. We say they don't give us. They don't give us. They don't give us green light, whether I like it or not. Coaches like Siasia,
fantastic.
coaches like Emmanuel Amonike. Amonike for the very first time in the history of Tanzania football, he qualified for the African Cup
Then
of
why
Nations.
is he being overlooked?
That is it. See, football
NFF
is
reason.
just NFF get their reason. NFF get their reason, just like Laba talk. Maybe they don't like him face, or they feel say go give them
I don't
problem.
like his face. I don't talk that one. When I talk, they don't like his
You understand?
Please, I don't like anybody.
You don't need to like somebody
I don't
to
like
give
your
a
face.
job.
I don't like your face.
You understand? Like I don't like this guy.
I don't
I
like
have
your
never
face.
liked him.
Thank you, but
He's a
together.
bully. Everybody know the word is a bully.
All right.
You understand? But we they work together for the growth of the company and for the growth of the brand.
I brought you
Football
back, so
Republic.
you know. Say it.
You understand? So I feel say that kind of money where go carry go give. For instance, Amonike now the Heartland of Heartland FC in the Nigerian Premier League. Why not call Amonike and say, you know what, we are giving you a national team assignment this is a project in 5 years time. You understand? Or in 6 years time, if you cannot go to the next World Cup, the Jackpot World Cup, at least the other World Cup we should go. Give the guy opportunity to work and give him long-term project and see whether Nigerian football will go develop. Because in the mind of players, anywhere where they're going to say, yes, Emmanuel Amonike has a 10 years program or a 10 years deal with Nigerian Football Federation as a national team. I need a campaign for him, for instance. So they don't go come they do nonsense for camp.
Why you feel say the NFF, just like in talk, fail to like put a plan where we say at least over time we go dey see results?
For the first
Now
time,
laziness, now lack of money, or they are thinking no just reach there.
for the first time ever in the history of this podcast, I go agree with Attah, and I'm sure it's the last time. It will never happen again.
No ever agree with me.
I'm sure. Like to answer your question, we no get people we get foresight. You job like Nigeria, we don't plan for 10 years. We plan for 1 year. We plan for 2 years. If you have plans of 2 years, you know that's a nonsense plan. If whites they think about what's going to happen in 10 years time, we don't get foresight. I think always about the now. If they know win now, disband them. If they know win now, sack them. We always think when you fall, you are failed. All coaches they lose. All coaches they lose games. All. Sacking a coach does not mean you are denting his CV. Let's be honest, because there are so many reasons why coach they fail. So many reasons why. Look at Mourinho. I'm telling you this. They sack him. But gonna get work somewhere soon. Because you they coach matured men. You they coach grown up men. Married men. Married men can gather together and sack you. That now why they give coach all your responsibility. Say, okay, now this is now your team. Because they cannot sack 25 players. They can sack only one man, which is the coach. So if we get NFL, we get foresight. Nobody say coach go lose 3 games, you go sack him. Nobody say coach go lose 2 games, you go sack him. Take that risk and invest in somebody. Foresight they very, very, then go know who the person be. Like the French do with Didier Deschamps. Like the French do with Deboski. Where they win Euros, win World Cup. Like Germany also do without that guy. Where I don't think call him because he's somebody my goat. So you have to like Senegal they do with them. Their captain Cisse. I've been in Senegal for how many years now? And they win the Nations Cup. So if we get foresight, not be say person. You know they give coach 5 games guarantee is stupid. Even if we not go the World Cup, we not go AFCON. You go know when coach good. Good example. Look Arsenal, Attah. Attah break all the old bad records for England that season. But if you know football, you look Arsenal they play. You know say future day somewhere. Like I never talk one. No people talk that thing. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer say winning a title does not mean you are progressing. It they give you false hope. Like they give example for Eric Ten Hag. Ten Hag don't win 2 titles of Manchester United. But if you look their way, they don't get growth, but they win title. So kind of time you have to plan long for you to get the biggest of that. I'm not saying win title stop, win title and continue. So we need those. We get foresight for this Nigeria. Otherwise, sexy, we are good as gone.
All right, no be small thing. Make we look at the Osimhen loan waka. What do you make of this loan, especially as they talk say clause stay in contract? We give them a break. We be say by the time we say go reach January, if he still talk to other club side.
At least good one for Osimhen. At least you get opportunity now to negotiate with the former club or in parent club, Napoli, to say, okay, that release clause, at least you go try reduce them and all those things. I think to me it's fair enough. And again, opportunity for us, you go play football elsewhere apart from Italy, because I feel the environment is already tense. Tension with the team, with the fans and all that.
And they're toxic.
They very, very toxic. So leaving that environment, to me, I think it did very, very necessary for him. Even though we know say in stay for talking with it temporary.
All right, and of course, a lot of Nigerians been dey surprised, Laba Master, when they make a U-turn and decide to play back for Nigeria after we know wetin happened previously. I mean, in state of mind at this point, how you feel, say, in mental state of mind today? Because with everything wey don happen, I know say no go easy for him, but then making that U-turn, making that
Which
effort.
U-turn? Did he say he's not going to play for Nigeria?
Initially, that was the story.
That's not his fault. He
After
said,
the rant.
he never said, nah, that don't be Nigeria problem. Osimhen never said he's not going to play for Nigeria. Never. He always wanted to play for Nigeria. Always available for Nigeria. So he never said. He's back like a bomb. So in the play for Nigeria, when he was invited, accept the invitation. Right now, because of this wahala, that's now why in the push. Osimhen was supposed to be in Nigeria after the transfer happened. But the transfer took so long. So they have to book his flight for him to come. Immediately when he gets to Nigeria, he's flying straight to Uyo to meet up with the team. Even though Sefi no playing one day among the team. Because now 2 matches, he has not played in some time. So he won't beat up in fitness, but he's very, very fit. So he's available to play for Nigeria. I'm very focused. Trust me. Like the movement from Napoli to Galatasaray, like he changed a lot in him mentally. Because at Napoli, they play like a professional. It's my job to do it. And I'm going to do my job. I need to deliver. But imagine say when you did very, very happy and you did work. Jovita, you can give me a typical example of what I'm saying. So when you did very, very happy and you did work, you bring out your best. It doesn't mean you can't do the job, but you do the job, I do the job with joy. So he's I promise you, in a very beautiful state.
All right, from that one, make you tell Fit shook mouth put for all the things we've said we don't hear so far on top of the podcast. But then make we take a look at UEFA's Champions League format, the new format where they don't carry come. Normally, na home and away, but this time around, everything don't change, and a lot of people believe say na pogri na make UEFA they plan all these things. Likewise, other competitions where they around, then they increase the number of teams, then they increase the number of games where they go play, then they increase so many things, but then nobody look at the players aspect. Before we go proper into that UEFA's Champions League, Emma sharply break am down for us how the UEFA's Champions League format this 2024-25 season will be. Well, for those who don't understand.
Well, now
Does you understand?
Now 36 teams, and they do them for different pots, 1, 2, 3 to pot 5. And now what it means be see 2 teams where come from the same country, where they did the same pot, no go play against each other. So now for the first round of matches, you get opportunity to play. For instance, maybe Madrid go play Liverpool away, Madrid go play Man City at home. No home and away basics for those games. Now the first games, the teams where get the highest number of points automatically qualify for round of 16. Then you can remain 25 to join them. So that 25 now go come also among them to join them. Now from the round of 16, now they're going to play the home and away basics.
All right, Laba Master, make we take a look at how this one go impact on players. More games to play, more matches to play. How you feel say this one go impact on players?
I think the Champions League just thief the what do they call them? The other league where they want to, the Nations League, whatever they call it, the Super League. Yes. The Super League. The same concept. More games, because the Super League argument now say, they see the bigger games at the end of the competition. That's now why they want to start with the bigger games at the start of the competition, make them in a league format. But it's stressful. Me, as a football fan, I want more guy. I don't care. I want when they play, they go. If they break their leg, they're paying them good money. I don't care. But if you analyze properly, it's too much games. But the good thing about the group stage, we say, you don't have to play one team home and away. You play different team home and away. That means a lot right now is at stake. Players go put more, but also when they consider the players, it's too much of a game. And they talk and say too much big team. It is spoil belle. See, whether Chelsea, they conferences, they play Noah FC. Whether Arsenal or Man City, they play Barcelona or PSG, people go watch na Champions League. What they don't understand about, it's not about the team anybody they face. Now that name, the UEFA Champions League. No matter who you be, whether Ali Mosho FC, Quarter or Champions League, people go and watch them. You don't get that honor. So the people what they look at, say, club play each other. No, it's the name. It's the name. So that they are trying to don't change or don't fix what is not broken. I think they messed up on this, but I think it go work because average football fan won't watch football.
And you self, you say it go work?
Yeah, it go work, but a lot of people they used to rap because already the traditional team for Europe go always get edge. The traditional teams and I mean I don't need to mention names. You understand? The Barcelonas of this world, the Real Madrid of this world, the Liverpool of this world in the Champions League. You understand? The Arsenal, they go always suppress upcomers because they go be the big boys first before they go down pick to join. But I think it go be very, very fun to watch.
All right, so now don't hear I'm on top football Mede podcast. Now here we go to pause on top the show. But then no worry, we go still come on our way again. But don't forget to go subscribe, make you also share or make you also leave your comment because no just hear from only us. We self want hear from you and your take on all the yarn we say we don't yarn here today. My name is still Jovita AK. Now here we go to pause until we come on our way next time. Obiariji.
Oh, nah.